Welcome to my little family 25. Don't forget to subscribe.
Good morning. It's Christmas morning. Look where we are. Still in the bed. We gotta get up and show Brody what Santa Claus brought him. I know, that's what I'm telling him.
What Santa Claus brought you?
Is he being shy again?
Yeah.
Oh, boy.
Morning.
Hey, good morning. Good morning, Scooter Poot. Good morning. Look what Santa Claus brought you.
Boo!
Brody, look. Oh, my goodness. Look at all those toys. Oh, boy, look at all that. That's all yours. Santa Claus brought you lots of stuff. Merry Christmas, little pumpkin.
Hey, I'm still sleepy. It's too early.
Oh my goodness, what is that? Oh boy. What is it, pumpkin? Santa Claus brought you that. Whoa, look at all this stuff. Look, and get your couch. Look at your suitcase and couch. Now you can pack your clothes when you go to Granny or Nana's house.
Ooh,
Yeah.
bro, what you got? So you got something with buttons on it.
Look, you got a couch?
Ooh,
You got one couch.
there you go, sit down.
There you go.
Yay!
Look at Brody!
Yay, bro. And it folds out into a bed.
Oh, boy, now you have your own chair.
There you go. You guys on couch.
Look, it comes out into a bed, too. He's got my lot in here. Come on, let's find some other toys. Look at this big thing. Oh, no, you got a computer? Look. Holy.
Hi. Let's learn about animals.
Look at this.
Hear what you got.
Look right here. Oh, boy. Yes. Oh.
Got you a four-wheeler.
Ooh.
We got all kinds of stuff.
Did you get you a four-wheeler? Lay down, take your nap.
Look
Woo!
at there. Yay! Look, Papa, he can take a nap.
Yeah. Got a
Bro,
little couch.
bro.
Yeah.
Okay, come on. Get up.
Ooh, wee.
It's a struggle for an old man like you. Look at that. That is cool, dude.
I thought it did.
Grab you another one of those boxes and start opening it.
Here, let's try this one. It says to Brody from Dada and Mama and Sam. Go right here. There you go.
You know you can pull harder if you got both ends down there.
You take your finger out and your thumb out of your mouth.
Mama.
Look what this is, Brody.
Brody. Bro.
Brody. Look.
Look.
What in the world? Open
Brody
it
got a
up.
cell phone.
Is that Brody's cell phone?
Oh.
Oh my goodness. Brody got his own cell phone. You got a smartphone.
Can I see it? Can I see your phone?
Hey, yeah, it's a cell phone. Daddy, I'll open it for you. I told you you might have a cell phone in here.
Did you get a cell phone?
You got the scissors?
You have them.
Ooh, Brody got another cell phone.
He's like, I ain't even wait for you to take it out.
Well, I guess we forget about everything else. He's gonna be on the phone the rest of the day.
Get Elmo.
Squeeze him.
Oh, he loves
Look, you gotta put him
Elmo.
on the floor.
Give him a kiss already.
Put it right here.
Is he tickling Elmo? Oh. You got Elmo. Alright, you ready to open some more? We'll save Elmo for later. He's just a kissing Elmo. Go. Be careful. Go sit down.
Push.
There you go. Push the button. Whoa.
Go.
Go.
Sit down.
Ow. Ow.
Whoa.
Crash.
This is dangerous.
Yes, it is.
Sit down. Sit down.
Sit down. You can't stand up and ride that. You do know that he will be running into everything now,
Yeah.
including you, Mom.
You like it? No, you gotta watch where you going, bud. Sam don't like it.
Come on here, bud.
Sit down.
Sit down.
Whoa!
You got dinner. All right, yeah.
Here it goes. Send to mama. You little jokester. Uh-oh. Crash. You went off? Wait.